1 week from today, Facebook goes public.
It is perhaps the most anticipated initial public offering ever. The fortunate few will become even richer, and Facebook will be infused with a staggering amount of cash, if all goes as planned. ABC 7 News business and technology reporter David Louie is live at Facebook headquarters in Menlo Park tonight. David?
Well, Dan and Carolyn, anyone with a Facebook page knows how popular the social network is. But investors are a hard crowd to please. They ask tough questions before plopping down millions, if not billions of dollars into an IPO. And that's why Facebook has been doing a coast-to-coast roadshow. This is a week when Mark Zuckerberg has been playing rock star, his face obscured in SUVs by tinted glass, driven in caravans with security to a gathering of investors. The roadshow is private, so no cameras were allowed at the hotel. But we learned Zuckerberg wore a gray T-shirt and fed his guests curry chicken salad. He was criticized for wearing a hoodie Monday with investors in New York. The 200 guests are being invited to snap up billions of dollars of stock when Facebook goes public next Friday.
I think it was pretty subdued. I think a lot of people are trying to understand what it's worth and sort of what. I think everybody believes it's a real business and it's going to go someplace, but I think people are trying to figure out the near term of what is it worth. So we'll all make that decision.
We're told questions were raised about monetization, how Facebook will boost profits from online and mobile ads. Facebook acknowledges it lags in making money on mobile devices. Kevin Spain of Emergence Capital Partners says that admission may dampen some enthusiasm for the IPO, but only slightly.
This is, in many ways, the IPO of the decade. And so I think for that reason, and also for the reason that the fundamentals of the business, beyond some of the revenue numbers, the usage metrics, the active user metrics, because those are so positive, I think you're going to find many investors still getting very excited about participating in the offering.
Facebook did post a video online ahead of the roadshow to sell itself to investors, but it wasn't played today because many have already seen it. What some potential investors wanted was the chance to see and hear from Zuckerberg in person.
This would be the first time to see Zuckerberg in action and see the team and see how the what the give and take is like with the investment community, and see how open they're going to be with relative to communicating to Wall Street about what we should expect.
Even though investors will eventually become owners of Facebook, they won't control it. Mark Zuckerberg holds a special class of stock that trumps regular shareholders. In Menlo Park, David Louie, ABC 7 News.
Thank you, David.